Hello guys, and today this is my 17th rant, and this will be about Freesound baby cry sound effect. Those anyone likes this sound, your opinion will be handled. Let's begin. Freesound baby cry sound effect has to be like worst ever, because it has been used in a lot of videos like Emoji Cat Baby, the Baby Sunny Bunnies, SMG4. I literally hate Freesound baby cry sound effect. This sound is worse than KCSFX, that is kids cheering sound effect. I hope this sound gets removed soon. I don't know who likes or hate it, so I might leave it be. So screw Freesound baby cry sound effect, and so does steal a brain. End of rant. I might gonna do rant of Emoji Cat, because it's getting toxic now.